Hello, Michael. Hello, Michael. Can you hear me? Hello, Michael. Hello, Michael. Can you hear me?
Hello, teacher.
Hello, Michael. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Okay. How are you today?
I'm fine.
All right. What did you do today?
Um, I don't know the English name of this event.
Okay. You don't know the name in English.
Yes.
Okay. Can you write the name in your language in the chat?
Um.
Write the name in Vietnam in the chat. I'll check it. Okay. Can you pronounce this?
Um. Em đi đám giỗ của ông nội.
Okay. Let me see what it means. 1 minute. Let's see. Can you see my screen, Michael?
Yes, I can.
Okay, so that's grandpa's death anniversary, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So you went to your grandpa's anniversary or his death anniversary, right?
Yes.
Okay. What else did you do there? What else did you do today?
Um.
What else did you do today?
Um. I go to the gym.
I
I
went.
went.
Remember past
I
tense.
went to the gym.
Okay, you went to the gym. So what did you do during the weekend? On Saturday, on Sunday, what did you do? Did you go out?
Yes.
Okay, so I want you to
Uh,
tell
I
me what
went
you did.
to uh, I went to my friend home.
All right. Did you play games? Did you study?
I play game and play badminton.
Oh, you played games and you played badminton during the weekend at your friend's place, right?
Yes.
Okay. And what did you eat today?
Um, I soy for breakfast. Um, Fish and rice for lunch.
And what about
I
dinner?
Jabong and rice for dinner.
Jabong.
Yes.
Is it a traditional food?
Mm, I don't know because I don't know the English name of that.
Okay, I understand. You don't know the name in English. Jabong, right?
Yes.
Can you spell it in the chat?
Yes.
Spell it in the chat. So now let's see the English name.
Um,
Javong. Okay. Okay. Chabong. Right. Um, pork floss. Is it this? Let's see. This one?
yes.
Oh, okay. Okay. So welcome to class today. Are you happy today?
Yes.
Okay. So in our last class we looked at teachers or no teacher, right?
Yes.
And we did the vocabulary check. So today we are going to start from the opinion practice. All right? Practice supporting and refuting the opinions below. Okay, the first one, can you look at the supporting opinion and tell me which one is the answer?
Um, Students will study less when there is no teacher because there is no body to stop them from playing. Um, Two, students can learn more by using computers. Uh, because they can teach themselves how to do something. Three, we need teachers in the classroom because they do many important jobs in the classroom. Four, it is cheaper to use only computer to learn because teachers are more expensive.
Okay, number one, students will study less when there is no teacher because there is nobody to stop them from playing. All right, that's correct. Students can learn more by using computers because they can teach themselves how to do something. We need teachers in the classroom because they do many important jobs in the classroom. It is cheaper to use computers to learn because teachers are more expensive. Okay, that's nice. So now let's look at the refuting opinions.
Hmm. One student can use the internet to find all the information that they need. Um, I disagree. There is so much incorrect information on the internet. Two, students can learn at their own speed when they learn from computers. Um, I don't think so. Many students do not know how to use computer in a helpful way. Three, we need teachers because they help us to do our best. Mm, I disagree. Many students don't want to go to school because their teachers are not nice people. Four, teachers make sure that students do their work. I don't think so. Teachers cannot control everyone because there are too many students in the classroom.
Okay, students can use the internet to find all the information that they need. I disagree. There is so much incorrect information on the internet. All right, the next one. Students can learn at their own speed when they learn from computers. I don't think so. Many students do not know how to use the computer. They don't know how to use computers in a helpful way. We need teachers because they help us to do our best. I disagree. Many students don't want to go to school because their teachers are not nice people. Teachers make sure that students do their work. I don't think so. Teachers cannot control everyone because there are too many students in the classroom. Okay, that's fine. So you got this part correctly, right? So now let's move to
Yes.
the opinion examples.
Um, Supporting opinion. Students should learn from computers without learning from teachers. First, students can learn much more by using computers and the internet. They can find all the information they need on the internet. Second, students don't have to worry about teachers. Some teachers give their students too much homework. Others are not ki- kind to their students. It will not be a problem if students learn from computer. As a result, they will learn more because they have a less stress. Um, Opposing opinion. Students always need teacher to help them learn. First, teacher make sure that students do their work and learn. If there is no teacher in the class, students will sleep or studies. Second, we need teachers because they do many things for students. Teacher help their students to understand the importance of working with other people. They also in, encourage them to be polite. These things are very important.
Okay, so now let's answer the questions we have here. The first question here says, circle the main idea in each opinion. Circle the main idea in each opinion. So I want you to look at the first one, the supporting opinion. What's the main idea in the supporting opinion?
Students should learn from computer without learning from teacher.
Okay, and what is the main idea in the opposing opinion?
Students always need teacher to help them learn.
Okay, that's good. So now underline the supporting ideas in each opinion. So what are the supporting ideas in the supporting opinion?
Um, Students can learn much more by using computer and the internet.
Another one?
Uh, Students don't have to worry about teacher. Some teacher give their students too much homework.
Okay, is that all?
Um, this will not be a problem if students learn from computer.
Okay, so what about the opposing opinion?
Teacher make sure that students do their work and learn. If there is no teacher in the class, students will sleep or play computer games. We need teacher because they do many things for students. Teacher help their students to understand the importance of working with other people. They
Oh,
also encourage them to be polite.
okay, so teachers also encourage them to be polite. All right, so now let's move to the discussion questions. The first one here says, can you read the first question for me?
Is it easy to find the answer to schoolwork on the internet?
Okay, so I want you to answer the question.
Mm,
Is it easy to find the answers to schoolwork on the internet?
yes,
Okay, why do you think it's easy?
um, because because you can find answer on Google on
Okay,
Gemini.
on Gemini. Okay, you can find answers on Google and Gemini, right?
Yes.
Okay, so if you don't understand a question, will you use the internet to understand it better? I'll read again. If you don't understand a question, will you use the internet to understand it better?
Yes.
Okay, how? I want you to explain.
Um, because internet internet provide many information.
Okay, so you think you can understand it better because the internet provides many informations,
Yes.
right? You can use the
Yes.
internet to find explanations and examples to help you understand the question better, right?
Yes.
Okay. So the next one, do you think your classmates will study if there are no teachers in the classroom? Do you think your classmates will study if there are no teachers in the classroom?
Mm, no.
Okay, why do you think so?
Because my classmate will talk to other.
Okay, your classmates will start talking to each other.
Yes.
Okay, so if there are no teachers in the class, your classmate, they will probably talk, play, or maybe use their phone, right?
Yes.
Okay, and are there any lessons that always need a teacher? Are there any lessons that always need a teacher?
Mm, yes.
Okay, so what lessons need teachers and why?
Some subject like some subject experiment.
Okay, like chemistry.
Yes.
Okay, what other subjects?
Um, uh, a subject need
Subject what?
um, um, practical.
Okay, subjects that need practical, like science
Yes.
subjects, right? Science, mathematics, chemistry, right?
Yes.
Okay, so why do you think these subjects need teachers? Why do you think these lessons always need teachers?
Because if we do wrong something, they will fix it.
They will what?
Fix fix.
Fix.
Yes.
Okay, if you do something wrong, they will fix it, right?
Yes.
What do you do
Yes.
wrong in mathematics that a teacher can fix?
Um. Um. Uh, Math problem.
Okay, all right. So subjects like science, mathematics, and chemistry always need a teacher because They can be difficult to understand without someone explaining them. Okay? So these lessons need teachers because these lessons can be difficult to understand without someone explaining, right?
Yes.
It's going to be difficult to understand math, chemistry, and science just reading it online. You need someone to explain, right?
Yes.
Okay. Then the next one, if we don't need teachers, will we still need schools in the future? If we
Mm,
don't need teachers, will we still need schools in the future?
yes.
Okay. Why do you think so?
Because we need to learn communicate skill,
We need what?
to learn communicate skill.
You need to learn communication.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So, since there are no teachers, who would teach you how to communicate?
Um, what?
You said we will still need schools in the future, right? Because you need to
Yes.
learn how to communicate, right?
Yes.
But remember, there are no teachers. So how will you learn how to communicate when there are no teachers?
Um, we can be friend with other.
Okay, you can be friends with others and maybe talk to your friends.
Yes.
Okay, so for me, I think maybe um, mm, if I'm using your answer, yes, since you said you think we will still need school in the future, because schools are not only for learning subjects, okay? You can also make friends, okay? You can also develop important life skills aside learning subjects, okay? You can also learn
Yes.
life subjects, life skills in schools, okay?
Yes.
So if we don't need teachers, there will still be school in the future because students will go to school to make friends, develop important life skills. Okay.
Yes.
So the next one here says, we don't need teachers. Okay, we're going to debate here. This part is a debate. Choose one of the statements below and then debate. All right. We don't need teachers anymore in the classroom. Remember, it's a debate. Yes, you agree or you disagree. Okay?
Mm,
We don't need teachers anymore in the classroom.
I disagree
Okay? Why do you disagree?
because if there are no teacher in the class, um, student student will play game, talk to other.
Okay? Students will play games and talk to each other. What else? Another one, another reason.
Uh, and and they will and there are no person to fix. There are no person fix the problem.
Okay. There is nobody to explain difficult topics.
Yes.
Nobody to explain difficult topics. That is how you say it. Nobody to explain difficult topics. Okay? So one more reason. I want you to give me one more reason.
Um, um, student ở đâu? Teacher. Um, teacher provide um,
Teachers provide what?
um, teacher teach how to teamwork.
Okay. Teachers teach teamwork, communication, and okay, they teach teamwork and communication in the classroom, right?
Yes.
One more teacher also encourage and motivate students, okay? They also motivate and encourage students, all right?
Yes.
Okay. So thanks for joining the class today, Michael. Our time is fast spent, all right? So we are going to end the class
Yes.
today. I'll see you in our next class, all right? Goodbye. See
Mm.
you in our next class, Michael.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye. See you tomorrow.